And the rope early lead is taken by Top Notcher. Monte Napoleone moving up on the outside. It is now Monte Napoleone in the lead, followed by Lone Land, Top Notcher, Fields of Gold, Si Senor, and War Alert. Nearing the far turn, it's still Monte Napoleone by half a length, followed by Lone Land on the outside in second. Fields of Gold running in third by 5.5 lengths, and Top Notcher by the Si Senor and War Alert. The last bend for home, it is still the outstanding favorite, Monte Napoleone, leading the field, followed by Lone Land on the outside in second, and a very far third, Fields of Gold, War Alert, Si Senor, and Top Notcher. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Monte Napoleone, the outstanding favorite with tight reins, followed by Lone Land on the outside in second. And finally, at the payoff line, it's just like a walk in the park for Monte Napoleone with Jesse Basilio Guse. Lone Land came in second, Fields of Gold, War Alert, Si Senor, and Top Notcher.